I know how guilty it feels to hand over the tablet just to get a moment of peace. But you aren't failing, you're just using the wrong mode. Today, we're shifting from passive to active creation. As Dr. Knit says, let's stop fighting the tech and turn it into a tool for genius. Let's be honest for a second. We've all been there, hiding in a kitchen, hoping the tablet keeps them occupied just so we can breathe. I've done it too. When a child is in passive mode, just mindlessly swiping or watching someone else play, their brain essentially goes into a low-power state. It's not necessarily harmful in small doses, but it doesn't build focus. The reason they tantrum when you take it away is because you are interrupting a zombie state. The secret isn't to ban the device, it is to switch their brain from watching to doing. When they are creators, they feel a sense of power, and that shift makes them much more willing to turn it off later because they've actually finished a project. To fix this, we need to curate their app library like we curate their bookshelf. If an app just shows them flashing lights and rapid-fire rewards, it is passive. We want to look for apps that have no clear end or winner. Think of apps that are digital canvases, music mixers, or coding playgrounds. When you see them using an app, ask yourself, are they making a choice? Are they building a world, or are they just waiting for the next video to autoplay? If they are building, they are exercising their prefrontal cortex, which is the exact part of the brain that manages self-control. I know, you're probably thinking, but how do I get them to switch to those apps without a meltdown? Here's the trick. Don't call it screen time anymore. Call it creation hour. When we frame the tablet as a tool, like a box of crayons or a set of blocks, the psychological dynamic changes. When you need them to stop, walk over and instead of saying time is up, try this phrase exactly. That looks like an incredible drawing. Can you show me the last detail you added before you put your tool away? By asking for their input, you are honoring their work, and their nervous system stays regulated instead of flipping into a defensive state. Let's talk about the co-regulation part. When your child is on the screen, their nervous system is often overstimulated by the fast pacing of modern apps. If you walk over and rip the tablet away, you are triggering the fight-or-flight response. Your child needs to borrow your calm, stable nervous system to transition. Before you tell them to stop, take a slow, deep breath yourself. Put a hand on their shoulder. Be the anchor. If you approach them with anxiety, they will match that anxiety. If you approach them with curiosity about what they are creating, they will feel safe enough to transition peacefully. Finally, align their digital life with their real-world passions. Does your child love animals? Don't let them watch random videos. Find a digital photography app where they can study nature. Are they obsessed with building? Get them into digital architecture tools. When the digital interest mirrors their physical curiosity, the screen becomes a bridge to the real world, not a wall separating them from it. You are not a bad parent for using tech. You are a smart parent for evolving. You've got this. You are doing so much better than you think. Transitions are hard, and digital boundaries are a journey, not a race. You're building a foundation of healthy habits that will last years. If this helped you find a little more peace today, I'd love to have you join our community. What specific digital struggle do you want to tackle next? Tell me in the comments, and we'll figure it out together.